Everyone, this is Tim from Your Six Studios. Today in this video, I'm going to show you how to change your address and your region on your PlayStation 5. So let's go ahead and jump into the video right now. So if you want to go ahead and change your address and your region on the PlayStation 5, this is very easy to do. Let's go up to the settings section right here and then go to users and accounts. And then under accounts, let's go on over to address and change your address. Now, if you go ahead and change your address in here, this is only to verify your identity when you contact Sony. Other players won't be able to see it, so you literally could type in anything in here. And you can't change the state or province or country. As you can see, I have like Berlin typed in there. I can just type anything in here, and for some reason it'll accept it. And under here, I only have like 3 or 4 different areas I can change the state or province to. And then I just typed in a random postal code. Now, since this doesn't really change anything, it's only to verify your identity. What you need to do is go over to the PlayStation Store and see if you have this option called Storefront. So under here, go up to the top and then go over to More. Select this and go to Storefront Country and select this. And see if you have the option to change your country and language. So if you're in the European Union or in Europe, you should have all these different European countries in here like Croatia, Bulgaria, Austria, Greece, etc. You can just change it to it and the language will change also. Now let's go back to the United Kingdom so I can see. And you should have access to the storefront. So another way that you can change the country or region is simply by creating a new account. And creating an account is very easy. Just go to your profile and go to switch or log out. And then go to add user. Go to get started. Then go to I agree. And just quickly go through this process. Go to create account. And then under here, you will need a new email address and a password. And you're going to need to know the location of the city, the province, and the postal code for the area you want to go ahead and make an account in. So like I was doing Berlin before, you have to go ahead and have all that information so you can create the account. So if I went to like Ukraine now, I can do that. And it's going to change the preferred language over to Russian. So if you want to access like a Japanese account or the Japanese storefront, it's very easy. All you have to do is make an account and make sure you set your PlayStation 5 as like the primary console so you can share PlayStation Plus and all the games that you buy to the other accounts on your PlayStation. So it's very easy to do that. So hopefully this quick video did indeed help you out. If it did, leave a big thumbs up and subscribe to my channel down below for more tech up videos coming up next on Your Six Studios.